Hi guys, I'm Chef Gui from Prática, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create groups and recipes on the Rocket Express. Let's do it! So the first thing we gotta do, obviously, is turning on the oven. And the oven will take like 1 minute and 30 seconds to be fully loaded so we can start using the oven. So after the oven is turned on, we got two options. The first one is to start preheating the oven, and the second one is to access the settings and start creating the recipes and the groups. That's what we are going to do now. So using the password, you are able to access the menu, and now we can start creating our groups and recipes. The first thing we gotta do is create a group. Every recipe needs to be inside a group. So we're coming here on edit groups, create new group, and I can put any name in here so it's easier for my operators to find the group, to identify the group. So in this case, we are going to do a chicken wings group. Confirm. And now I can choose an icon for my group. I'll choose this one. And I can select the place that I want to see this group on my list, top of the list. Now I have my group created. All I need to do is go back twice and start editing my recipes. I select the group that I want to create my recipe, chicken wings, and create a recipe. Now I can put the name for it. So in this case, I'm going to do frozen wings. Confirm. And I can select an icon or a picture for my group. We have a database of pictures here on the oven screen, but you can also take your own picture of your own product and add it to the oven screen using the IOK platform. In this case, I'm going to select one image from our database here. I can choose any of them. As you can see, we have a lot. I'll choose this one. Now I can select where I want to see the recipe on top of the list again. And now I can create my steps for the recipe. Edit steps. Every recipe can have up to 8 steps. And on the Rocket Express, we control the impinged air, the microwave power, and the infrared element power as well. So we have 3 technologies to control. The impinged air is responsible for giving color and texture to the product. The more air, the more colored and the more crispy the product will be. The microwave is responsible for heating up the product, so the more microwaves, more time, the hotter the product will be. And the infrared element will be responsible for giving color and texture to the bottom of the product. So the more infrared element, more color and more crispness on the bottom. And I control also the time. So for chicken wings, frozen chicken wings, 3.5 minutes are good to start. And I can save my step. Now you can also test the recipe here. And if in case you need any adjustments, you'll be brought back after the recipe is done, so you can adjust the recipe and add one more step or do whatever changes that you need. If you need the operator to do some action in between the steps, you can add this information here, for example, to stir the product and save. And now after the first step, the oven will stop cooking, give this information on the screen, and the operator can go ahead, do the action. So after that, we're going to the second step, and like this, you have this information so you can have the operator doing something between steps. Then you can test, or you can go back to the main screen and execute it as a normal use. In case you need any help, you can always check the cookbook on the IOK platform or contact one of our guys. We are always available to help you.